Hello everyone. Today's video we're working outside. We're gonna prep the front fenders for paint. So we're putting together a roof rack from Harbor Freight. Jeremy's gonna Loctite it, so it stays together. Let's get started. Oh, this could be easy. So the roof rack is actually a pretty decent roof rack. I'm highly impressed. It was easy to install and I got it from Harbor Freight for around $100. Alright, so Jeremy's done a lot of work already. Instantly. A lot of stuff that was bent, he's fixing right now. The window's actually not broken. He's gonna take the face bar off and yeah. Hello everyone. Today's video we're working outside. We're gonna prep the front fenders for paint. Figured why not wear a bikini today and get some sun while I'm at it. The sun is finally shining here in Texas. It's been raining since I got here.
Basically this is a body stand for body parts. You definitely want to make sure this doesn't fall off of here. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to scuff the entire E-coat, and it's just as easy as, well, they actually make a product called Scuff and Stuff, which is my preference, but this is scuffing soap. So basically it's got the grit in it.
Okay.
And you're going to hand wash it.
Okay. Cool.
Especially on your pad. And you're not going to put a lot of pressure but you're going to want to make sure that every single piece of the exterior gets done. And the other reason you don't want to use a lot of pressure is so that you don't knock the part off of the stand and bend it.
Okay.
Because then you're talking hours and hours and hours of body work.
Okay. Alright. Okay, I guess we'll check to see if it's dry. Banja. Alright, so we're on day number 2 for putting on the Fenders. We're roughing up the primer that we did yesterday, and we're going to paint today too, so this will be fun. I'm learning a lot because eventually I'll be changing the color of Trailblazer. And I'd like to maybe try to do that by myself in the future. Alright, so we're gonna put some paint on there. Well, Jeremy is. Well, we've got tons of more fun content coming up. So, we've got the bumper, the winch, the awning, headlights, new dash lights. So, make sure you're subscribed to both my channel and JW's Garage. See you guys in the next video.